Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today bold, stylish, and packed with performance, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Modellista is here to redefine what it means to be a premium SUV. Whether you're an off-road adventurer or a city driver seeking sophistication, this SUV promises to deliver on every front. Let's dive into why the Fortuner Modellista stands out. First up, the design. The Modellista package elevates the Fortuner's already commanding presence. It features an aggressive front grille, a sleek Modellista body kit, and 20-inch alloy wheels. The LED headlamps and taillights not only look stunning but also provide exceptional visibility on the road. Plus, the two-tone paint options add a dash of exclusivity. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that's both functional and elegant. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The Modellista branding on the scuff plates and floor mats adds a bespoke touch. And let's not forget the 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the Fortuner Modellista isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. Under the hood, you get a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine delivering 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, it offers the power you need for both off-road trails and highway cruising. And speaking of off-roading, Toyota's legendary 4x4 capabilities are in full swing here. With features like downhill assist control, hill start assist, and a locking rear differential, the Fortuner Modellista can conquer rugged terrains with ease. It's built for adventure, without compromising comfort. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Fortuner Modellista. It's equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pre-collision braking. Peace of mind guaranteed. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Modellista combines style, power, and practicality in one incredible package. Whether you're taking on urban streets or exploring the great outdoors, this SUV is ready for it all. So, are you ready to elevate your drive? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.